हर्ष बोलो यार, टाइम हो गया है सबको। हर्ष
सर अटेंडेंस चल रही है बच्चों की।
थोड़ा एक बार ग्रुप में बोलो यार, मैसेज दो एक बार। एनबी जेसन, ये फोटो यार अपनी लगाओ। किसकी फोटो लगा रखी है? बोलो यार, जल्दी बोलो, ज्वाइन करेंगे सभी। हाँ जी, हो गया, मैसेज पास ऑन हो गया। ठीक है, मेरी आवाज आ रही है? लोगों को जरूरत था और मैं Nancy Sharma, you are advised to log in with your institute ID. Everyone is advised to log in with institute ID. From next time, I will not admit anybody. Are you getting me or not? Please log in with your institute ID only. Nobody is supposed to log in with an ID outside the institute ID basically. Getting my point not? Next time implement नहीं करूँगा। करें भाई, स्टार्ट करें। हाँ जी महक, महक आर यू देयर?
Yes, sir.
महक,
Yes, sir.
can we start?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us start the lecture. DFA that will accept all the strings that are starting with A. So what we have done in that case, we have taken initial state and an upcoming arrow will be there for any initial state, or you may call it as start state. Okay. Then you have to give some name to this state. It may be A, B, X, Y, Z, any name of your own choice. Is that okay or not? Now, first of all, we have to implement a DFA that accept a string that is starting with A only. Now, when I am on A is basically starting state. Upon seeing A, where I am going? I am going to another state that is B, and I am calling it as final state. Is my voice clear to you people or not? Now I want to accept AA. Instead of A, I want to accept a string AA.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, screen visible नहीं है.
Upon
Visible नहीं है, sir.
where I am going or moving, I am moving to B. Is it visible to you guys or not? Yes or no?
सर स्क्रीन फ्लैक्चुएट कर रही है, बीच में बंद हो जा रही है, फिर एकदम चालू हो जा रही है.
शुक्ला साहब, क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
सर स्क्रीन फ्लैक्चुएट कर रही है, कभी बंद हो जा रही है, कभी फिर चालू हो जा रही है.
अभी नजर नहीं आ रही स्क्रीन?
नो सर.
हाँ जी, शुक्ला जी लॉगिन किससे कर रहे हो? मोबाइल से कर रहे हो, लैपटॉप से कर रहे हो?
सर मोबाइल से करा है।
मोबाइल से कर रहे हो तो उसको रोटेट ऑन कर लो।
यस सर।
मोबाइल को आप रोटेट कर लीजिए, फिर देखिए, फिर प्रॉपर स्क्रीन आएगी आप सभी के पास। ओके,
यस
नाउ व्हाट वी हैव डन, I am at starting state A. Upon seeing A, I am reaching to a state having name B, and I am calling it as final state in previous case basically. Now, if I am having another A where I have to stay, I have to stay on the same state. I need only first character A, and anything after this will be accepted. I need first character as A. Anything after A will be accepted. Either it is single A, double A, triple A, single B, triple B, double B, any number of A, any number of B. Is that okay or not? So, what I will do, I'll start with A. Upon seeing A, I am reaching to a state and I'm calling it as final state. Because this automata is basically accepting all the strings that are starting with A. Is that okay or not? Yes or no? Now what if I want to accept this BAA? Is my automata accept this string? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Why not? Because upon seeing A, where I am moving to B directly. I don't have B as first character over here. So what I will do, I will add another option over here. Upon seeing B, I am moving to another state that is having name C. Is that okay or not? Upon seeing B, where I am moving? I am moving to another state, and then any number of A, any number of B can be there. First B is there, then after that any number of A and any number of B can be possible. But this thing is not accepting this language. Only this part is accepting this. And why we have included this part? This part will say that this string is not acceptable because when I am on A is my starting state, and upon seeing B, where I am moving? I am moving to another state that is C. Now upon seeing A, where I am moving? Again I am moving to C. Now upon seeing another A, where I am moving? C. Now if you see the final one, is it the final state? Hanji beta, is it the final state?
No, sir.
Is no, it's not. So this automata will not accept this string. This string will be discarded by this automata. ये फर्स्ट ऑटोमेटा आपको समझ आया नहीं आया बेटा? हाँ जी बेटा, हेलो, इसमें कोई डाउट है? ओके, अगर ये समझ आ गया तो आधा ऑटोमेटा आपको समझ आ गया है. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज टाइप्स ऑफ फाइनाइट ऑटोमेटा. Now this is further divided into two parts. One it will be finite automata with output, and another one is finite automata. Next is epsilon MFA. So this is the bifurcation of finite automata. Finite automata is divided into two parts. One is the finite automata with output, another one is finite automata without output. These are further classified into Moore machine and Billiard machine. We will discuss all these topics in detail in later lectures. So finite automata without output is deterministic finite automata, non-deterministic finite automata, epsilon non-deterministic finite automata. So let us start with DFA, deterministic finite automata. Previously we have discussed one deterministic finite automata that is accepting all the strings that are starting with A. Yes, please, any doubt up to this part? Anji beta. Hello.
Finite automata without output.
क्या कह रहे हो बेटा?
There is the third part, finite automata without output.
Epsilon non-deterministic finite automata. Epsilon. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let us start with DFA. Okay. Now how we can represent the finite automata? Your finite automata will be represented by total 5 symbols. Capital Q, then Asmission, then we are having this delta naught, and another one is Q naught. These are the total 5 things that are representing a finite automata. So to explain all these things, let's take the network accepting Is it visible to you guys or not?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Okay. Now note down what is first Q. First Q is the finite set of states. Finite set of states. Your Q represent finite set of states. So if I focus upon this automata, what will be the value of Q? Value of Q will be A, B, C. Total number of finite state existing in any automata. Yes, any doubt in Q?
No, sir.
Q basically represent finite set of state. If I focus upon this automata, how many states are there? I am having state A, state B, state C. Is that okay or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is this solution? This is input alphabets. How many input alphabet are there for this automata?
2.
हाँ जी बेटा. Yes, are you there? Yes, third year. हाँ जी बेटा. 2 alphabet. We are having only 2 alphabet, so solution will have value A, comma B. Any doubt in Q? Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
हाँ जी.
No, sir.
Okay. Now next is Q naught. Q naught is basically the start state. What is the value of start state? In our case, start state is having value A. Is that okay or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next symbol is F. F is the final state. What is the final state in case of our automata? Automata, this is
B.
B. Is that okay or not?
Yes, sir.
So, we are having total 5 symbol. One is the Q, that is representing finite set of state, and that will have value A, B, comma C. Then summation is basically representing input alphabets, and that is having value A. Naught is representing the start state. In this case, start state is A, and F is representing final state, that is B. Is that okay or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we are left with only one symbol, that is
Delta note.
delta naught. This is known as transition function. Delta naught is basically a transition function. How we can write this? Q multiply with this is the transition function. Okay. What is the value of Q? Yes,
3.
3.
ABC.
What is that?
ABC.
ABC.
Capital B, capital C.
C. And what is the value of this solution?
Small and small b.
AB.
A, comma B. Is that okay or not? So how many multiplication will be there?
6.
A upon C A upon C B, B upon C A, B upon C B. Okay. C upon C A and C upon C B. These are the basically movements. Okay. So here I have written like this. Q multiply by sigma, and we are moving to some state Q. So how many states are there in total? Anji, how many states are there?
3.
Total 3 states are there. So A upon C A, where we are moving? Upon seeing A on capital A, I am moving to a state B. Upon seeing B, where I am moving? Please focus upon this diagram. This is A. Then upon seeing A, where I am moving? I am moving to B. A comma B. And then upon seeing B, where I am moving to? Please focus upon this. Upon seeing A at A, where I am moving? I am moving to B. Upon seeing A on A, I am moving to B. Upon seeing B on A, where I am moving? I am moving to C. I am at B and seeing at A. I am at B. Upon seeing A, where I am moving? I am moving to B. Upon seeing B, when I am on B, where I will move? I will move to B. I am at C and upon seeing A, where I am moving? I am moving to C. I am remaining on the same position. Upon seeing B at C, where I am moving? I am moving to C. Is that okay or not? Anji beta. हेलो, ये क्लियर हुआ नहीं हुआ? बाकी लोग
Okay.
बेटा,
Yes, sir.
ट्रांजिशन फंक्शन क्लियर हुआ नहीं हुआ?
Yes, sir. Clear.
ओके, चलो ट्रांजिशन फंक्शन बनाइए फिर आप लोग सभी, मैं दे रहा हूं आपको. या भी रहने दीजिए, अभी आगे टॉपिक करते हैं, फिर बात करते हैं, ठीक है? ओके, लेट अस कंस्ट्रक्ट अ डीएफए. Now let us construct a DFA that accepts set of all string of length 2 over alphabet. Alphabet is having value A comma B. What will be the value of all string of length 2 will be AA, AB, BA, BB. These are the possibilities. Yes or no? Anji beta.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What will be the all string of length 2 over language, or sorry, over alphabet A comma B of length 2? This will be AA, AB, BA and BB. Is that okay or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So first of all, I will take the smallest thing and create a DFA. First of all, I will pick the smallest thing and try to accept it. I'll start with A. Is that okay or not? And I want to accept AA. I am at A, and upon seeing A, I am moving to another state, that is B. Is that okay or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, upon seeing another A, what I am getting? What I'm getting over here? I'm getting a final state or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
या ए एक्सेप्ट कर लिया इसने या नहीं किया है?
कर लिया।
यहाँ तक कोई प्रॉब्लम है एसडीएफए में?
वो सर। नहीं सर।
हाँ जी बताइए,
वो सर।
यहाँ तक कोई प्रॉब्लम है?
नो सर। नो सर।
अब आप देखिए, नाउ आई वांट टू एक्सेप्ट A, B, sorry, AB. I want to accept string AB. I'll start with A. Upon seeing A, I am having value. I'm reaching to state B. Now I want to accept AB. So I will simply write a B over here. Upon seeing A or upon seeing B, where I am reaching? I am reaching to final state. Right. Whether it is accepting string AB or not.
Sir.
कर रही है ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I want to accept the next thing. BA. I'm starting with A, but there is no B over here. So if I simply write a B over here, what it will do? Upon seeing B, I am at A, and upon seeing B, I am reaching to this B. And finally, I am having A, and then I am reaching to a final state or not.
Yes, sir.
Now, let us focus upon the last thing. BB. Upon seeing B and A, I am reaching to state B. And upon seeing B at B, I am reaching to
Final state.
final state. So this automata will accept
All four things.
all the strings of length 2.
2.
Is that okay or not?
Yes, sir.
Now we are having two terms available with us. One is the string accept. Another one is we are having these two terms available with us. One is the string accept. Another one is the
Language accept.
okay. Now, when we will accept the string, scan the entire string. If we are reaching to a final state, please focus upon the definition. What we have to do, we have to scan the entire string, and if we are reaching to a final state, starting from the start state. देखिए बेटा कंडीशन क्या है यहाँ पे? We have to scan the entire string and we must have to reach to some final state, and we must have to start from starting state. Is that okay or not?
Yes, sir.
डेफिनेशन क्लियर हुई नहीं हुई?
Clear, sir.
ये बिल्कुल ऐसे ही है। देखिए अभी मैंने आपको एग्जांपल दिखाया था A, B, then B, Then we are having C, A, comma, B. Now please check whether it A string or not. Whether it will accept string A or not.
Correct, sir.
Correct, na?
Yes, sir.
So minimum condition is we have to start with start state and we must have to reach to some final state. Is that okay or not?
Yes, sir.
While send the entire string. Okay. One more thing. If I am having this, is my automata will accept this or not? Yes or no?
No,
करेगा नहीं करेगा?
no, sir.
नहीं करेगा सर।
अगर मैं एक मोमेंट यहाँ पे और लगा दूं,
तब कर लेगा सर।
upon seeing the third A, I am going to another state D. हाँ जी,
Sir, D
अब
will
कर लेंगे।
state होगी ना फिर? Yes, sir. Final state में D.
is it accepting the triple A?
No, sir.
No, it's not. Now I am having this A and I am reaching to a state D. Is this automata accepting triple A or not? No, it's not. Similarly, if I am having this B over here, is it accepting A, B?
No, sir. No.
No, it's not. Or similarly, if I am having any number of A, comma B after this, it will not going to accept all those strings. Is that okay or not?
Yes, sir.
Now this state will be known as dead state. Please make note of it. This state will be known as dead state. Whenever we have reached to some dead state, there is no provision to reach to some final state. Please focus upon the definition of dead state. Whenever we are on any dead state, we are not be able to revert back to some final state. That's why this state is known as dead state. We'll discuss dead state in detail later on. Is that okay or not? हाँ जी बेटा, कोई डाउट यहाँ तक? हाँ जी, स्ट्रिंग एक्सेप्ट में कोई दिक्कत है?
No, sir.
Okay. Now let us discuss about language accept. A finite automata is set to accept a language a language if all the strings in the language are accepted and please focus upon the definition. What it is saying, A finite automata is said to accept a language if all the strings in the language are accepted and all the strings that are not the part of language should be rejected. Definition is clear to you people or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Definition clear हो नहीं हुई? Language accept कब होगा? Now let us take one example. Like for example, I am accepting all the strings of length 2. Now, may I call it as language accept? Yes or no? हाँ जी, क्या मैं इसको लैंग्वेज एक्सेप्ट बोल सकता हूँ?
Yes, sir.
How?
No, sir.
Let us construct the DFA first. I am at A. I'm starting with A. Upon seeing A, I am moving to a state B. Then I am reaching at C. It will firstly accept A string. If I add B over here, then it will accept B string. If I add B over here, then it will accept A, B, A, then B, B. This will be accepted, this will be accepted, this will be accepted, and this will be accepted. Is that okay or not?
Yes, sir.
This DFA will accepting all the strings that are written over here. And this rejecting this thing. Is it rejecting the AAA?
Yes, sir.
No, it's not rejecting. कहाँ पे रिजेक्ट किया है? रिजेक्शन मैंने दिया कहीं पे? रिजेक्शन है कहीं पे? This is the DFA.
करेगा
हाँ जी
गारंटी तो देखती होगा
बेटा, रिजेक्ट तो करेगा ही नहीं वो. स्टेट ही नहीं आएगी रिजेक्ट वाली तो कोई भी.
Yes, sir. Accept कर लेगा.
तो ये लैंग्वेज एक्सेप्ट नहीं हुआ बेटा, ये सिर्फ स्ट्रिंग एक्सेप्ट है. It is accepting all the string of length 2 over alphabet A, B. Is that okay or not? This is not the language accept. This is the string accept only. Because it is not rejecting A, B, C. Language accept आपको क्या कहती है? A finite automata is said to accept the language if all string in the language should be accepted and the strings that are not the part of language should be rejected, strictly rejected. Here, this is not rejecting anything. It is just accepting A, B, B. ये सिर्फ किसको एक्सेप्ट कर रहा है? A, B. Is that okay or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो ये लैंग्वेज एक्सेप्ट नहीं हुआ. ये क्या एक्सेप्ट है?
String.
String accept.
नहीं एक्सेप्ट. कोई डाउट यहाँ तक? हाँ जी बेटा.
No, sir.
No, sir.
कितना टाइम हो गया बेटा?
1:05.
एक पाँच sir.
हाँ जी.
1:05 सर.
Okay, let us discuss prefix and suffix. Prefix and suffix. These are the two terms used in automata. Like for example, if I am having a bus string W is there, what will be the prefix for this? Whenever we talk about prefix, prefix will be equal to the first term will be a prefix. Okay. Yes, please. Prefix क्या होगा? Prefix will be
first term.
First term.
हाँ जी.
Prefix will be first term.
First alphabet of string.
Prefix will be the first alphabet of the string. Whole string itself. Whole string. A bit change is there. Whole string will be treated as prefix, and every time epsilon will be a prefix. Epsilon will be a prefix. So prefix for this given string will be first epsilon, first character of the string, and the whole string. Is that okay or not? समझ आया बेटा?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now let us take example for suffix. Like for example, this is the string. Now what will be the suffix? This will be the last part of the string. And whenever we talk about suffix part of the string, always last part of the string will be included. Last part of the string. Then
Last.
epsilon always be treated as suffix part. The string itself, the whole string will be treated as suffix. Now, अगर मैं इस पार्ट को करता हूं तो मेरे पास suffix और भी क्या आएगा? ये भी मेरे पास एज अ suffix आएगा. देखिए इसके बाद लास्ट पार्ट, यस लास्ट पार्ट इसको epsilon, the last digit, then last two digit if it is a string of length 3 or the whole string itself. Clear है भाई? हाँ जी.
Yes, sir.
Clear हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है? Next is proper suffix and proper prefix. Proper prefix will be like, for example, if W is having value 0, 0, then proper suffix will be this epsilon and 0. The whole string will not be counted in proper suffix. Whole string will not be counted in proper suffix. Is that okay or not? Similarly, here this part will be omitted for proper suffix. Next is null string. Null string will be represented by two empty curly braces or a 5. Is that okay or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Null string will be represented by two empty opening and a closing curly braces without any character in between or a 5. If I write like this, is it a null string? Is it a null string?
नो सर.
No, sir.
No, it's not a null string. Null string will be represented either by two curly braces without anything in between or a file. This is not a null string. This is containing epsilon as a character. Okay. Is that okay or not?
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
समझ आया नहीं आया भाई आज का?
आया सर समझ.
आ गया, sir.
कितने लोगों को क्लियर हुआ? अब आपने नोट कीजिए, क्वेश्चन नोट कीजिए. हेलो.
सर बोलो आप.
Construct a DFA that will accept all the strings that are the alphabet A, B. Construct a DFA that will accept all the strings that are starting with B or the alphabet A, B. Is that okay or not? ये मैं बना चुका हूं आप लोगों के लिए.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, बस हल्का सा चेंज करना है आपने.
यस सर.
जो आपके लिए मैंने बनाया था ना, जिसमें वो स्ट्रिंग्स को एक्सेप्ट कर रहा है, जिसमें स्टार्टिंग में सबके ए है, उससे इंट लेना है आपने. ठीक है भाई.
यस सर.
अटेंडेंस मार्क करनी है या नहीं? हाँ जी,
आपकी
अटेंडेंस चाहिए. हाँ